Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like a...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm really excited to show you guys how I was able to easily, quickly and effortlessly install this wig. This wig is from Tinashe Hair company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. So this is not my first time trying their wig. I've tried a lot of their wig and the quality of their wig is always very nice. As you guys can see, this wig is something else. Like the density on this wig, the hair on the wig is so much. It's really full. And as you can see, the lace part as well, I didn't use any got to be glue gel and it looks so natural and very well laid. I am really in love with this wig, and you know that with this wig is versatile. You can style it anyhow you want it, and that's what it's going to be for now. Let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So these are the accessories that came with the wig.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
And this is the wig, guys. You guys can see the wig is very beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So yeah, I'll be using my beard head to lay the wig. Then I'll tie a scarf to leave it to dry for like 10 minutes. So meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and spray water on the wig and then apply leave-in conditioner, and also I'll apply a heat protectant oil because I'll be using my hot comb on it.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
So now I'm going to go ahead and take off the scarf. And then I'm going to brush the wig. You guys can see it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and create like a middle part. You can do a side part if that's what you want. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to lay it very flat. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.